These are instructions to use the Immersive Reader. When you open a Canvas page, you will see Immersive Reader in the upper right-hand corner. Please click on the bar. Next, you will click on the book. We'll say Reading Preference. We'll pull down. Under Translate, you will find the language that you would like to have your page read to you. This is important where it says Document. Make sure you click that, and it will change it into whichever language you've been asked for. Down at the very bottom of the page, you'll see a blue button. Click it. It will read in the language that you've chosen. When you are finished, you can click Original to take it back to the English, and then on the left-hand side, the back arrow is how you exit the Immersive Reader. Thank you.